All right, guys, listen up. There's about 200 dogs in this property. 30 of them are the house alone. 2 trucks are going to enter. I think you're going to want to enter from the other side and loop around and park right here. This is going to be in and out. We're going to be real quick on this property. These her pups?
3 more, yes.
As we go through this property, we see the horrible condition that they're in. We're starting to see some emaciated dogs out on this property as well. And unfortunately for her, she's actually feeding these puppies right here.
She's really, really, really pregnant.
Look at this. This is what we're seeing today. This is pretty severe, Maddie.
Tiny, tiny.
This one's not gone?
No, he's gone.
This is our second puppy mill rescue in less than a week. We continue our aggressive action against this horrible puppy mill industry.
I know, baby. It's okay.
She has 5 babies coming.
All right, so Mom's coming out now. These are all the pups. I think we've got 5. You'll take Mom right behind her. These mothers spend their entire lives in these cages, having litter after litter. Their babies sold to consumers, unaware that they are supporting a cruel industry.
You are cute as a button.
Yes, you are. Very happy to be out of his cage, or her cage. Yeah, yeah. I mean, they're just so, willing to forgive humans and, to turn a new page. So I'm just so grateful that they're going to have a new shot here.